today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Waze. If you drive at night or simply prefer a dimmer, less distracting map, switching Waze to dark mode can make a big difference. It reduces glare, is easier on your eyes, and can even help conserve battery on some screens. I'll walk you through the exact path to find the setting and explain what each option does so you can pick the one that fits your routine. Start by opening the Waze app on your phone. Give it a second to load the main map screen. From here, look to the top left corner of the screen for the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Tap that to open the main menu. This is where Waze keeps quick access to your profile, favorites, and most importantly for today, the app's settings. Inside that menu, tap the gear icon labeled Settings. This opens the full list of customization options for Waze. We're headed to the visual controls, so find and tap Map Display. This section controls how your map looks, including colors, labels, and the mode you want to use based on lighting conditions. Next, tap Dark Mode. This is where you'll choose how and when the app uses darker colors. You'll see three choices. If you select On, Waze will always use dark mode, no matter the time of day. This is great if you like a consistently dim interface, or if your phone has an OLED screen where dark pixels can help reduce power usage. If you choose only at night, Waze will automatically switch to dark mode after sunset and go back to light mode during the day. This option helps keep things bright and visible when the sun's out, and comfortable when it's dark. If you pick same as phone settings, Waze will follow your device's system theme. That means if your phone is set to dark mode automatically at certain times, Waze will match that without you needing to change anything here. Once you've chosen the option that suits you best, you're all set. You can back out of the menus and return to the map. Your preference is saved immediately. If you ever want to adjust it, just retrace these steps and pick a different option. And if the map ever feels too dim or too bright for your environment, remember that switching between these settings is quick and won't affect your routes or saved places. That's it, simple, clear, and customizable. Enjoy a more comfortable driving experience with Waze in dark mode, and drive safe.